First Love Brothers, don't let us down. If you are in First Love Church, means you must go to the kitchen yourself and organize some things. Don't let us down. First Love Brothers, are you there? You are sitting down to be served like an emperor. It's not as though you are even bringing any plenty money. Tell your neighboring First Love Brother, you see me in the kitchen. You see me moving around in the place. Oh yes. I'm not getting a good response from the First Love Brothers. I feel as though they are even offended at what I'm saying. But I've decided not to mind them. Every day when I face the sisters, they will be shouting amen. And when I said this one, small, this is that I've said in favor of the sisters, people have become quiet. They are looking at me like, what I'm saying is that yes, you are sitting down like an emperor. Emperor John, Emperor Kofi. Hey, but it's not as though you are bringing some big money to come and organize things that you are being served like that. That's the point I'm making.